I've ridden some long rides on my e-bike, but I've never taken it to a century. As I bought the e-bike to extend my touring range, this seems like an important test. Geeko claims a maximum range of 95 miles with an optimum weight rider on a flat course. I'm quite a bit heavier than your optimal rider, but I did find a flat course and I'm going to try and ride a century. Here's the course. It ended up being 101 miles with less than 2,000 feet of climbing. Really doesn't get much flatter than that. Because I was down at the beach most of the time, it was quite breezy, your usual onshore and offshore flows. Layered on top of that, there was a 10-mile-an-hour northerly wind. Obviously, I rode the whole thing at level 1 of assistance, which ended up giving me an average of 18.2 miles per hour across the entire century. Now, obviously, because I'm hoping to ride 100 miles, and I started at 100% battery, ideally, the distance ridden plus the battery remaining would always be at least 100. Here I am at the Bistro Saint-Germain in Seal Beach, mile 33. So I need my battery to say 67% left. What does it say? It says 64. That's pretty close. So 1 chicken sandwich, 1 plate of fries and a Coke later, and it's time to get going again. Has my battery level gone up by any chance while I was at lunch? No. No, it has not. Okay, it's going to be our turn one day, right? Do we need a calendar to figure out when this light's going to change? Sometime Tuesday, maybe?
Yeah, go ahead, you go ahead.
Now it's time to turn onto the San Gabriel River Trail, Should have a tailwind, but you can never really tell with this trail.
Okay, whose kit is this?